Welcome back. It's a good time to talk about market fundamentals. Ajit Banerjee, President Chief Investment Officer at Shriram Life Insurance, is joining us now. Mr. Banerjee, good morning. Thank you so much for joining in. While the markets are seeing a sharper cut today, a lot is happening in the global trade with macros as well. The recent one being that UK-India FTA that has been signed. Any big takeaway for you from that? Does it change the way you look at sectors now? And anything that is looking very exciting to you after this deal?
Thanks for having me in the show. I think this is something which was the negotiations and the conversations were happening for 3 years and all. So which has finally got crystallized. Even though actually this will take a final, it will take another possibly 6 to 8 months time to finally, get materialized. But there are certainly some positives which would be benefiting the Indian economy for sure. Automobile sector for that matter, even IT, as well as, basically we can see on the semiconductor place, those are the things which might get benefited. At the same time, in India gets access to their marketplace for the engineering products as well. On the contrary, UK also gets gets access to Indian market. So I guess it is a mutually beneficial, trade agreement which has happened. And UK claims to be the biggest trade beyond the Brexit. What is their Prime Minister has claimed.
Mr. Banerjee, good morning. Thank you for joining in. Since we were on the subject of autos is one of those sectors that has been likely to benefit from the FTA. The sector itself, the sector financiers, the CV financiers are seeing a bit of a struggle this time around with regards to asset quality stress, and we saw that in the commentary from Bajaj Finance. It's not necessarily a CV lender, but even for names like HDB Financial or even for Shriram Finance that reports results today. Is that a trend that you are anticipating to continue, some stress to continue in the CV lending space going forward, considering that the auto demand so far has been pretty sluggish?
What we feel as a house view is that there would be certainly a strain, but that will be more in the unsecured place, which of course CV does not fall into that per se. But generally, with the economy as well as the infrastructure sector expected to do better, and government spending already has commenced. So I think it's a time lag which is there at present. So overall, we are positive on the CV space is concerned. But certainly, there is always a time lag when this the benefits of the rate resetting takes place. So I guess that is what is going to play out. So for a longer time perspective, we are positive on the CV space. But yes, there can be some minor hiccups in the short term to come.
Okay. Mr. Banerjee, any other space that you're liking considering the macros, the economy, and what's happening with the commodity prices currently?
The commodity prices, if we see some of the positives which are looking at this point of time, infrastructure related, if we see. So metal prices, are something which is expected to, as a metal producer, it is going to be definitely positive for the commodity sector. But as a metal consumer, consuming companies, definitely the cost might go up or expected to go up for a while. Even auto companies are also facing the brunt for that because they are a consumer of the metal sector for that matter. But at the same time, with the infrastructure push happening, at the same time, if the trade, the trade agreement between US and China is on, get settles on amicable terms or on, win-win situation terms, then at the same time, the fear of dumping which can happen from China to India and other emerging markets can get thwarted, and that's positive for India. In any case, we are seeing that the overall consumption led growth has to also increase. So for a sector per se, I think we are positive on the metal, but it might take out time to play out for the fully over the year actually.
Right, Mr. Banerjee, thank you so much. Pleasure having you as always for sparing time and joining us today. The manager, Ajit Banerjee there of Shriram AMC. We'll take a short break and more on the markets on the other side. Stay tuned.